Tricks that you could do to get rid of snoring. Snoring can really affect your quality of sleep, and the quality of sleep for those who share a room with you. There may be medical reasons for your snoring. So, be sure to follow the advice of your doctor, and read the advice here to see if you can find a solution to your problem. Not eating a large meal close to bedtime is one of the best ways to prevent snoring. When your stomach is too full, it can make its way up to your diaphragm, thus, limiting your breathing and causing snoring. Stick with big meals at dinner time and have a light snack instead before bed. Try to keep your head elevated when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which lessens the chance that you will snore. Just prop some pillows behind your head or use a thick pillow. You may want to avoid excessive caffeine consumption if you suffer from snoring. Caffeine contains stimulants that do not allow sufficient airflow. Without a sufficient amount of air, a person tends to snore. There are plenty of decaffeinated versions of your favorite drinks that will stop and prevent snoring from happening. Avoid the consumption of alcohol before you go to bed in order to refrain from snoring. Because alcohol can relax the throat muscles, they may vibrate as air passes and cause snoring to occur. Allow several hours to pass after your last alcoholic beverage before you go to sleep to minimize or eliminate snoring. In order to reduce snoring at night, work to clear your nasal passages before going to bed. You can take a nasal decongestant, pill or spray, or sleep with a neti pot next to your bed for a more organic solution. Getting the mucus out of your passages will make it less likely that you will snore. One of the best ways to eliminate snoring during the night is to cut down on your intake of alcohol during the day. Alcohol tends to tighten your airways, which will make it much harder to breathe when you go to bed. Reduce your alcohol consumption and sleep in a peaceful manner. As you can tell from the tips here, snoring is a very common problem. It plagues so many households each and every night. Try out these suggestions, and hopefully you will find a solution that works for you. As with anything though, keep the advice of your doctor in mind and get checked out to see if it is medically induced. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.